back to my YouTube channel, and I hope you're all doing very well in this crazy, rainy, wintry summer day. I mean, if anybody could get an award for having the most bipolar weather, England would win it, hands down. So as you can see, I'm in a new setup, and judging by my thumbnail, you will know that this video is all about my transformation of my beauty slash bedroom, which is finally complete, which I'm so excited for, and I cannot wait to show you guys the finished result. So if you are interested in seeing the process and the end result of my new filming room, then please keep on watching. We are here. I'm in my new spinny chair. I am just absolutely loving how this turned out, but I have to say, my lord, the amount of money and how you can get carried away buying homeware stuff is just insane. It's just crazy, because literally, like, you're going into the shops and then you're like, oh, this can go there, and that this can go there, and that can go there, and then before you know it, you are severely bankrupt. So yeah, I am so happy with how everything has turned out. I'm not going to waffle on too much. I have literally just turned this into a vlog. This is going to have music in, so you're going to need to grab yourself a cup of coffee or a glass of wine, sit back and enjoy the transformation of my bedroom. I did go in and buy a few more bits again from B&M. My god, I went in there about a good 20 times this week, I am not gonna lie. I also went to IKEA. Now that video is the next video coming up on my channel, and that will be a vlog. I had a blast there, and also I got some bits off of Amazon. So what I've done is I've just added those to the vlog towards the end of the video. There was no point in me filming a separate video. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and back and yeah.
If I ask you, don't hold back on me. Only better if you set it free. In a new light, driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems.
Also picked these makeup brush holders from Amazon. They do these in gold and silver, and I picked up these ones. I absolutely love these. I love like how chunky like the jewel is on these. They're really stable, they're really nice, and I was just so happy with them, and they can fit quite a lot of brushes in. So I just picked up 2 of those. Like I said, you can get them in gold, and I just got them on Prime. I already had this candle holder, but I just added one of the pillar candles from my other haul that I showed you, and I just put it on here. But again, this is from B&M, just obsessed. So that is that. I picked up these flowers from B&M again, and then these ones are slightly different because it comes in a vase like that. I also picked up this tea light, and this is the same candles. And then I also picked up this metal tray, which was from Kiara Bailey's range as well, and I just use this on my bed runner. But I absolutely love these flowers, I think they're really pretty. Also from Amazon, I picked up these silver urn vases. They are really lovely, and then I just filled them with the roses that I got from the range that I showed you on my previous haul. So the extra things that I picked up from B&M was this roses. Obviously they are silk. It came in this pink vase, which was really nice, and it looks like this. So I was really happy with that. I think that was about £5. I then also picked up these tea lights. I only got one. This is from the Kiara Bailey section again. I have just bought these in a candles that smell like blueberry, which smell amazing. So these are just to go on my dressing table like so. And last but not least, I picked up this beautiful chair from eBay. They are the barber / hairdressing ones, and they did this in white and black. I picked this up in white because it matches obviously my theme. It has a lever at the bottom, so you're able to make this higher and lower as much as you want, and I am just literally obsessed with this chair. It is just so comfortable and yet so amazing. Guys, that is the end. I hope you've enjoyed the transformation as much as I have. Leave me your comments in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave the new stuff that I spoke about in the description box below. And yeah, like I said, my next video will be IKEA, and all the previous stuff that I bought will be on my B&M haul, and it's all listed in the description box below. So yeah guys, until next time, I hope you've enjoyed. Take care. Bye.